What up, guys? It's the 1st of August. Don't mind my kids. We are planning to go take the kids for a walk to the beach, right?
Yeah.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna go?
Yeah. Why now?
Okay. We're gonna go?
Yeah. Why now?
Okay. Watch out. Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
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 Yo.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Say hi. You guys ready? Ready? Where are we going? Yeah. Yeah. Say hello, everyone. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Yes. Subscribe, please. Say again, Maggie. Okay, we love you guys. So guys, we're back home. We're on our way to the beach. Take the kids for a walk, but my wife called and messaged me that she has having anxiety attack. So yeah, we end up going to see my wife and have the kids play around and get to see her at work so she can feel better. Mental health is more important than anything. We gotta take care of ourselves, and then after that, we came back on our way to the beach. I was thinking of taking the kids out for a walk. Then Maggie fell asleep. Took a nap in the car, so we ended up went for a drive around the island, and then now we're back home. She was taking a nap in the car, but I guess she decided to wake up now. Come, Maggie. Why did you sleep, huh? You were sleeping, huh? Taking a nap in the car? Huh? Say hi. Say sorry we didn't take you to the beach. Say sorry. Blow kiss. Blow kiss. Like and subscribe, man. Yeah, if you do have any question, let us know. We love you. We'll see you again. I'll try to take more video. If you guys have any question, just comment down below, and we'll answer this question. But take care of yourself. Take care of your mental health. Love your family. Love your kids, and bless you whatever you're doing in life. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.